Miss Dom, and today I want to talk about making a fake flyer. So I just pulled up a few actual flyers that I found on the internet, just so you know what I'm talking about when I say flyer. Also on this slide are some examples of fake flyers made by artist and musician Nathaniel Russell. And Nathaniel Russell created these flyers for fun. He's an artist, and he wanted to make something that was sort of quick and easy. It's more of a conceptual kind of an artwork. It's not something that you have to spend a whole lot of time creating, something that would be put into a museum or a gallery. It's something that you might, post in your neighborhood or share with your friends just for fun. So the assignment is to create a flyer that either gives advice, promotes an imagined event, asks for help, or shares something about you. So if you look at these examples that I pulled up, again, these are real, these aren't fake ones, and I'm going to walk you through making a fake one in just a few minutes. This one's promoting an event. It tells you what day it is. This one, the lost pet, if you lose something and you're trying to find it, you might have your phone number for people to call, or if you're trying to, maybe sell something, or if you're, trying to get people to join you for some reason. Maybe it's like this one right here is more like advice, where, they're telling people that they need to wear a mask. So there's lots of different directions you can take in making your flyer. And so the idea is to use your imagination. Now you can make the flyer the way that I'm making it on the Jamboard, which is what I'm using. And if you do that, you can share it with me, or you could share it with your friends virtually. You could also make a Google slide or a Google Doc, and basically, share it digitally. Or you can do it on a piece of paper, which is what Nathaniel Russell did. He made it on a piece of paper, and then he just photocopied it, and he actually put them out and about just for fun to see, how people would react or to make people laugh. And so you can decide, how you want to actually produce it. But I just want to talk you through, what it is and how you might do it. So I am going to get rid of these ones that I have here. So we have a blank one. So you can, again, draw. Now, the reason I'm doing it on the Jamboard is because I can draw on it, or I can insert an image. So you have to come up with an idea. So think about something that you like. So before I started this video, I had to sit and think for a few minutes about what might be something that I would want to do. Now, I like food. So I decided to go with something food related. So I am going to search for an image. And you can see I did my search before. We have some flyers there. But I am going to search for pasta and see what I get. All right. So I'm just gonna take a look here and grab an image of some pasta. All right. All right, I'm gonna make that sort of big. And then I'm going to insert a text box. Hello, text box. Okay. And I'm going to fit that over it. And let's choose a color here. I'll stick with black. Okay. All right, let's see if I can make that. Oh, all right, let's see. So if you were doing this in a Google slide, it might be a little bit easier with this. My font sizes, okay, that works, are limited. So if you were doing it a different way, but that works. Okay, so I've got my image, I've got my theme here. I'm going to go ahead and do a little drawing on top of this. So I'm going to use my little pen tool here and add some hearts on my pasta. Okay, so I'm going to sort of customize my little illustration. And sort of make it fit with that title that I just made. So I'm adding in, and again, you don't have to do this on the computer. You could cut out pictures or just draw pictures, or do a combination like I'm doing of images that you find and then adding to them. Let's see. Anyway, you get the idea. So the idea is to make a fake flyer. If you look on the slide, you can see, if you check the link, there's more of Nathaniel Russell's flyers if you want to look at them and maybe get some ideas. Again, you don't have to do this on the Jamboard. That's what I used for mine. I like the idea that I could draw as well as put found images on there. You can just draw, you can just do found images, but it should be something made up, something that comes from your imagination. So this is more of an exercise in using your imagination rather than, artistic skills. But using your imagination is an artistic skill, but I mean in terms of techniques and so forth. So the idea is to make a fake flyer, share it in some way, either with me or with your friends, or make copies of it. If you send me a copy of it, maybe I can print some off and put them around the school for fun at some point. But that is your assignment. Create a fake flyer. So have fun, and I'll see you next time.